Good evening, candidates. Today I'm going to talk to you about National Recruitment Agency. All you need to know about National Recruitment Agency and CET, uh, common, what is that? Common Eligibility Test for Group B, Group C jobs. The government has sanctioned a sum of rupees 1,517.57 crore for the NRA. The expenditure will be undertaken over a period of 3 years. Here, to be along with what is happening, the COVID details are coming. India cases 28 lakhs 36,000. Worldwide 20, yeah, India 28 lakhs 36,000. Worldwide how much? 2 crores 23 lakhs. That is the figure. Number of deaths 53,000 in India. All over the world 7 lakh 86,000. Yeah, that piece of information. Now we will go to the topic. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday, that is 19th August, decided to set up a national recruitment agency, a multi-agency body for conducting common eligibility test to screen or shortlist candidates for the Group B and C non-technical posts. The NRA will have representatives of Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services, the Staff Selection Commission, Railway Recruitment Boards, and the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, according to an official statement. YNRA. At present, candidates seeking government jobs have to appear for separate examinations conducted by multiple recruitment agencies for various posts, for which similar eligibility conditions have been prescribed. Here, yeah, candidates have to pay fee to multiple recruiting agencies and also have to travel long distances for appearing in various examinations. These multiple recruitment examinations are a burden on the candidates as also on the respective recruitment agencies, involving avoidable or repetitive expenditure, law and order, security related issue, and venue related problems. On an average, 2.5 crore to 3 crore candidates appear in each of these examinations. A common eligibility test. A common eligibility test would enable these candidates to appear once and apply to any or all of these recruitment agencies for the higher level of examination. This would indeed be a boon to all the candidates. It is envisioned that the NRA would be a specialist body bringing state of the art technology and best practices in the field of central government recruitment. Here are the salient features of NRA and CET. NRA to conduct online CET twice in a year, that's good. A registration of applicants, generation of roll number, admit cards, display of marks, merit list, etc. will be done online. The CET would be available in a number of languages. This would greatly facilitate people from different parts of the country to take the exam and have an equal opportunity of being selected. The CET will be based on multiple choice objective type question paper. The CET score of a candidate will be valid for 3 years. Every district of the country will have an examination center, including the 117 aspirational districts. CET to be conducted at over 1,000 centers. Examination centers in every district of the country would greatly enhance access to the candidates located in far-flung areas. Major relief to poor candidates. Presently, candidates have to appear in multiple examinations conducted by multiple agencies. Apart from examination fees, candidates have to incur additional expenses for travel, boarding, lodging, and other such activities. A single examination would reduce the financial burden on candidates to a large extent. Women candidates to benefit greatly. Women candidates, especially from rural areas, face constraints in appearing in multiple examinations as they have to arrange for transportation and places to stay when where exam centers are far away. They sometimes also have to find suitable persons to accompany them to these centers that are located far away. The location of test centers in every district would greatly benefit candidates from rural areas in general and women candidates in particular. No restriction on number of attempts by the candidate subject to upper age limit prescribed. A relaxation in upper age limit to be given to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, physically handicapped. Candidates would have the facility of registering on a common portal and give a choice of centers. Based on availability, they would be allotted centers. The ultimate aim is to reach a stage wherein candidates can schedule their own tests at centers of their choice. NRA to ensure better access to rural, underprivileged candidates and women. NRA will facilitate employment generation. CET scores can be shared with central government, state government, union territories, public sector undertakings, and private sector. NRA shall conduct a separate CET. Hello, I will talk to you around 3:50. Thank you. NRA shall conduct a separate CET, each for the three level of graduate, higher secondary, and the matriculate 10th pass candidates for those non-technical posts to which recruitment is presently carried out by the Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Board, and the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Based on the screening done at the CET score level, final selection for recruitment shall be made through separate specialized tiers 2-3 of examination, which shall be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. The curriculum for this test would be common, as would be the standard. This would greatly ease the burden of candidates who are at present required to prepare for each of the examinations separately as per different curriculum. The government has sanctioned a sum of rupees 1,517.57 crore for the NRA. The expenditure will be undertaken over a period of 3 years. Apart from setting up the NRA, costs will be incurred for setting up examination infrastructure in 117 aspirational districts. Thank you very much, candidates. This is the basic information we have received about NRA. Full details may be known later on. अभी हम इसको हिंदी में बोल देते हैं. कैंडिडेट्स, अभी नया रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसी उनका नाम है NRA आएगा, नेशनल रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसी आएगा. वो लोग कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट कंडक्ट करेगा. साल में दोबारा कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट होगा. ये इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन सब कैंडिडेट्स कर सकते हैं और ईच डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक सेंटर होगा और कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट हो तो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पेपर होगा. सबको एक ही सिलेबस है. बैंक में जा रहा है, इंश्योरेंस में जा रहा है, रेलवे में जा रहा है, SSC में जा रहा है, सबको एक ही पेपर होगा इनिशियली. एंड CET स्कोर ऑफ अ कैंडिडेट विल बी वैलिड फॉर 3 years. जो स्कोर आप लेते हैं वो तो आपको 3 साल के लिए यूज होगा. और इसका अलावा ये स्कोर रख के आप कैंडिडेट वो दूसरा हायर एग्जामिनेशन, मेन एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जाना है. मतलब अभी बैंकिंग में तो कल ही 2 एग्जाम है, प्रीलिम मेन. लेकिन एसएससी में तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 है, जितना है उतना भी अब लिखना है। अभी तो मेरा ख्याल से 1 2 3 है। सो ये यहाँ पर दिया है, ये तो पुअर कैंडिडेट्स के लिए बहुत रिलीफ होगा, क्योंकि हर एग्जामिनेशन के लिए पैसा नहीं देना है। एंड स्त्री लोग कैंडिडेट के लिए, वुमेन के लिए तो अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि वो लोग दूसरा जगह से इधर जाना आना और उनका साथ में कोई आना जाना, ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स कम हो जाएगा। और नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन होगा ये एग्जामिनेशन अपीयर करने के लिए, लेकिन एज लिमिट मैक्सिमम है उतना तरफ होगा। और रिलैक्सेशन फॉर एज लिमिट आपको शेड्यूल कास्ट को मिलेगा, शेड्यूल ट्राइब को मिलेगा, ओबीसी को मिलेगा, जैसा भी अभी आए ऐसा भी फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड को भी मिल जाएगा। और ये इसमें दिया है एनआरए टू एंश्योर बेटर विलेज से जो आ रहा है और वुमेन के लिए अच्छा होगा। और इसमें लिखा है एनआरए विल फैसिलिटेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन, जरूर होगा, क्योंकि अभी जो लोग एजेंसी है वो सब रहेगा, आईबीपीएस रहेगा, स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन रहेगा, रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड रहेगा। इसका अलावा नया एजेंसी, ये 1000 सेंटर्स लगाना है, ये सब करना है, इसके लिए तो जरूर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन होगा। इसका वजह से गवर्नमेंट ने आपको 1517.57 रुपया सैंक्शन किया, और ये 3 साल में ये खर्चा होगा। और ये एक्सपेंसेस सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, यूनियन टेरिटरीज, पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर शेयर कर देगा। This is the main points I want to tell you. Wish you all best of luck. I will give the link of this video from the Financial Express in the um, in the say YouTube comments column. Best wishes. Thank you.